Welcome to Bula!
Bula. Officially, the municipality of Bula is a first-class municipality in the province of Camarines Sur, Philippines. Bula is also included in the 5th district of the province along the towns of Balatan, Baaw, Bato, Iriga, and Buhi. The town of Bula is historically considered as one of the first 4 mission towns of Camarines Sur, founded by the Spanish conquistadors when they set foot on the Bicol soil, coming from the Visayas in 1576. The other premier towns were Naga, Ipayo, and Nabua. But where did the name Bula originate? According to Fray Felix de Huerta, Bula is a term used to refer to splitting of bamboo. It is also said that a Spaniard named Bronson Ibrano gave the name Bula. He asked a native who was busy cutting bamboo using his own language what the name of the place was. But when the native thought he was asked what he was doing, he said Bula, the dialect meaning bamboo splits. From then on, the town began to be called Bula. Year 1578, when the natives were Christianized. So the National Historical Commission dates back the town's history to 1578. From this, the town chose Saint Mary Magdalene as its patron saint and celebrated its fiesta every 22nd day of July, which is the birth date of the saint.
Bula is bounded on the north by the municipalities of Pili and Ocampo, on the east by the municipality of Baaw, on the southeast by the municipality of Nabua, on the south it is bounded by the municipality of Balatan, on the southwest by the Ragay Gulf, and on the west by the municipality of Pinalabak. Noong kalagitnaan ng ika-19 na siglo, ang Bula ay nagkaroon muna ng 4 na baryo. Ito ay ang poblasyon, Baaw, Umbaw at Santissima Trinidad. Nahiwalay at naging malayong bayan ang Baaw noong 1590 sa pangunguna ni Kapitan Manuel Lusa. At ang Santissima Trinidad ay pinalitan ng pangalan na Kausip noong 1860. Ang poblasyon naman ay hinati sa 2 barangay. Ito ay ang San Roque at Salvacion noong 1891. Naging 22 baryo ang Bula noong 1939 at naging ganap na 33 baryo ang Bula noong 1948. Ito ay ang Baguladyo, Bagumbayan, Balaogan, Kaorasan, Kasugad, Kausip, Pabrika, Inuyunan, Itangon, Kinalabasahan, La Purisima, La Victoria, La Nipga, Lubgan, Umbaw Heights, Umbaw Polpog, Palsong, Panoypuyan, Pawili, Sagrada Familia, Salvacion, Poblations, San Agustin, San Francisco, San Isidro, San Jose, San Miguel, San Ramon, San Roque Poblacion, San Roque Heights, Santa Elena, Santo Domingo, Santo Niño, at Taisan.
One of the most compelling landmarks in Bula, Camarines Sur is the City Hall, especially known as Municipio. There are many offices you can visit in case you have suggestions, reports, need assistance, and more. Besides, one interesting fact is that you can find the library beside the City Hall, which is advantageous for educational purposes. Another thing is there is also a covered court where you can play a basketball and other recreational activities, which includes a grandstand. Alongside the City Hall, you can also visit St. Magdalene Church. Do you know that St. Magdalene Church has a story? The first church was destroyed by fire in 1676. The second church, built in 1688, was destroyed by a typhoon. In 1700s, The present church was completed in 1706 and repaired in 1876 and 1885.
List of festival in Bulacan Fiesta. First, the Bamboo Festival. The Bamboo Festival is Bulacan Fiesta is a significant event that celebrates the economic and cultural importance of bamboo in the town of Bula, located in the province of Camarines Sur in the Bicol region of the Philippines. The festival is held annually as part of the town's fiesta celebration and serve as a tribute to the local community heritage and livelihood. During the festival, various activities are organized to engage different sectors of society. These activities include motorcades, youth celebration, barangay days, honoring senior citizens and persons with disability, showcasing farmers and fish folks. Produce beauty pageant like Miss Bula, civic parades, military parades, religious processions, and more. These events not only celebrate local tradition but also foster community spirit and unity. Second, the Kamuknaan Festival. The Kamuknaan Festival is a significant part of the town fiesta in Bula, Camarines Sur. The fiesta is celebrated annually as part of the town fest and in honor Saint Mary Magdalene. It is a cultural event that showcases the local heritage, tradition, and community spirit of the people in Bula. During the Kamuknaan Festival, various activities are organized to engage the residents and visitors alike. These activities may include parades, cultural performance, traditional games, foods, fairs, futures, local delicacies, beauty pageant like Miss Bula, and religious procession. The festival serves as platform for the community to come together, celebrate their identity, and express gratitude for blessing received.
Habang nasa town proper na, maaari niyong bisitahin ang Municipal Hall. Sa bakuran nito, makikita niyo ang monumento na tinayo upang pangaralan ng ating pambansang bayani na si Dr. Jose Rizal at ang hindi kilala sundalo ng Bula.
Gusto mo bang ma-relax at mag-enjoy? Bisitahin mo na ang Banwaan ng Bula. They can offer you some tourist spot na swak sa inyong panlasa. Tulad na lamang ng dagat at Nalalata Falls na kung saan mapapawi ang init na iyong nararamdaman. Kung gusto mo namang magpahangin at mag-sightseeing, pumunta ka lang sa Tanawan Eco Park where you can see Mount Asog, Mount Isarog, and Mount Mayon. Sa Palmeda Building naman, pwede kang kumain at bumili ng kahit ano tulad na lamang ng damit, pagkain at iba pa.